Good morning all, Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, July 10th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So the markets remain in balance on the daily time frames. Obviously the monthly and weeklies are all up, so the bulls are in control. We are now attempting, as you can see, still 90 minutes to go prior to the opening, but we're trading near yesterday's high in ES and in NQ trying to get near their all-time high. Now remember, NQ did make an all-time high yesterday, but I said they just stretched it because they didn't take it out much. Pretty much the same with Righty, although Righty might have given them a little more leeway with the price probe. However, if Righty opens where they are, come 9:30, definitely up on the daily, as far as I'm concerned. If NQ takes out yesterday's high, again, I'd be putting them up on the daily. ES needs to get the all-time high and get some extension above it. So balance rules, which are the most powerful rules out there, are firmly in effect for this morning. Keep that in mind. Okay, you do have unemployment claims out at 8:30, and then you have a 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. Again, as far as game plans go, we'll see where these overnight highs are. However, the last two times, especially, well, in both cases, but since I trade NQ, front running that overnight high has been not the call to make, as we've opened, gotten it, and ran pretty good. So definitely something to keep an eye on if we're to open near the overnight highs. Again, if you get the overnight highs right away, especially if you open with higher value, then any pullback again to around value high from yesterday would be a good risk reward long to see if they hold higher value. Okay, it was pretty much a price vacuum inside of yesterday's range in ES. Yes, they did have the pullback in H, but again, if you get acceptance into value, there's a good chance you could trade all the way down to value low, and the 80-20 rule would be in play, which is if you open above value like we are and then start getting acceptance into value in 2 time frames, the odds of trading to the other side of value are very good. Now, yesterday, we did get into value from Tuesday in C and D period, right? But really wasn't accepted into there, even though we were holding trend at the time, and we never went to value low, okay? But these are things to keep an eye out on as the day progresses. And then chart-wise, so again, here's the S&P, 5-day balance for me. We need to take out the all-time high, get a little extension to call the daily up, and I'm using last Wednesday's low as the balance low. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Don't forget, if you are going to use a prop firm, Tradeify, I recommend them highly. I am affiliated with them. I have a link on the videos, both morning and afternoon, and I appreciate if you use it. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.